Open the printer cover. Check the main power and switch to make sure it is on. Turn on the emergency switch. At the same time, the display screen enters the initialization interface. After waiting for about a minute, make sure that the carriage moves normally and there are no abnormal sounds or lags. After the movement of the carriage is completed, it will enter the standby interface. Make sure all the ink tuber is open. Make sure there is enough ink in the ink tank. Turn on the switch of UV lamp cooling water tank. Adjust the knob to the parameters suggested by the technician. Install the A-film into the take-up reel. Tighten the screws to prevent loosening. Pull out the roller by turning the film gently. Pull the film up, pass it through the pinch roller. And reach the suction platform. Ensure the film side is flat and even. Prepare an empty waste film roll. Install the film roll into the take-up reel. Ensure the waste film roll is aligned with the film. After confirming, tighten the screws to prevent loosening. Tear off the film. Peel off the upper waste film and ensure the sticky side is on the platform. Wrap the peeled off film around the empty waste film roll. Then secure it to the roll. Turn on the motor switch. Adjust the motor damping to ensure the tension is appropriate. Install the B film. Remove the bearing and place it into the B film roll. Peel off the sealing tape of the film and place it into the machine facing forward. Tighten the handle screws to prevent loosening. Pull B film up to the printing platform. Bond the A film with the B film. Ensure the two films are roughly overlapped and aligned. After overlapping the two films, pull a section through the rollers. Turn on the switch, lower the rollers and smooth out the film. Moving film. Import images into RIP software for processing. Print head cleaning. Test strip printing. The lines on the test strip are complete and clear, with no disconnection. Prepare a roller for recycling film. Install the roller into the take-up reel. After confirming the position, tighten the screws to prevent loosening. Wrap the printed film from bottom to top around the paper roll. Secure it with a few stickers. Turn on the take-up reel. Import print files into printing software. Start printing.